Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, guys. Welcome back my YouTube channels. I hope so you are also fine and I am also fine. And always we all are going give you some information about the latest and beautiful dresses and designs. Attractive dresses and glamorous, good looking, graceful dresses, and everyone like to attractive graceful dresses because dresses are everyone need for lifestyle. Okay, hope so you are also like my video, and don't forget my video like, subscribe and bell icon, because every day each and every new video is bringing me only for you. And then we are watching this video, then our mind is addition of different ideas of the dresses, because every dresses had a beautiful and different designs. Okay, and now we are going to buy some dresses, but we have no idea about the dresses according to occasion. When we are watching before watching the video going to bazaar, then we have a concept to create a beautiful dress. Okay, then we are bringing to a different beautiful and legend attractive dresses. Hope so you are also like my video, and remember me in your prayers, and don't forget me in your prayers, because we are need for prayers. Everyone, Allah has a mm, love for each and every one. Okay, then we had not to destroy and disturb without any reason, because when we have a reason, then we are forget all the members, because Allah has liked mercy and kind heart. Okay, then we are not to disappoint and degrade and irritated of every one person. Everyone had a kind and beautiful and had a Allah heart. Then Allah had a angry with us when we are torched other persons. Okay, humanity and humility is very important for our success. Allah Hafiz. Bye.